Welcome to Alfra English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own.
How often do you make telephone calls?
I do not use a landline that much except for some official purposes, but I use a mobile phone very extensively and daily. I use the mobile phone to make or receive calls, send or receive text messages, and sometimes to use the internet. I often play games on my mobile phone and listen to my favorite music. There is scarcely any day when I do not use it. You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.